If you want to check your portfolio on Robinhood, they came out with a recent update to the app, so it's really easy to go and find it. It's very easy to see. So let's go to Robinhood. Make sure to log into your account. And what you want to do is go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and this is going to give you a portfolio overview of what your current investments are doing. So as you see here, it gives you the number at the top. It gives you the current graph and the time frames you can choose from, if it's a year to date, if it's 3 months, and things like that. And then it will categorize your retirement and investments and things like that. So it's really easy to go through and check your portfolio out. If you want to go through some of these other settings, you can, especially the history. That will show you a lot of other specific details. But very simply, that's it. You can go back to the homepage and individually look at your stocks and what you're investing in. But if you want a general overlook of what your portfolio is doing, go back to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner and you'll have it right